pouring with rain.
The fires! I'll cover you! Come, trust me. I'll cover you! Run for your life! I'll cover you!
Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. He stepped in a puddle right up to the middle and never went there again. Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. He stepped in a puddle right up to the middle and never went there again. Look at my newspaper, soaking wet, and I haven't even read it yet. It's all right for you, Pippin. You like the rain. I can't think why. Pippin, Pippin in the rain. She likes to make her hair wet. She thinks it's all a game. Chasing raindrops, puddles splashing. Up and down she's running, dashing. Pippin, Pippin in the rain. Pippin likes the rain.
I don't like the rain because it makes my clothes wet.
Pippin, Pippin in the rain. Itsy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout.
No!
Well, I won't be having my cup of tea in the garden, that's for sure. Good gracious me!
What was that?
Look at that! The gutter's fallen down. That should do it. Now my hair's all wet. Horrid weather. I hate it. I feel a bit warmer now I've dried out. Never mind. As soon as the rain stops, Pippin can go to the shop and fetch me another one. Where is she? Is she still outside?
Oh!
It has stopped raining. Pippin! Ah, there you are.
Oh! Now my